In this episode, Lily has something special to send. Follow her step by step as she mails a surprise package at the post office and learn real-life English for every step of the way.
I hope I filled out the address right. And I really hope it's not too heavy.
Next, please.
Hi there. I'd like to send this package to New York.
Sure, let me take a look. Do you have the address written on the box?
Yes, right here on the top.
What's inside the box?
Just some books and a small candle. It's a birthday gift.
Any batteries, liquids, or fragile items?
The candle is in a box, but it's not glass.
Great, thanks for letting me know.
It weighs 3.1 pounds.
Standard shipping is $13.25. Express would be $26.50.
At the post office, you usually have two main choices. Standard shipping means regular delivery. It's slower, but cheaper. Express shipping is faster, but it costs more.
How long does standard take?
About 5 to 7 business days.
That's fine. I'll go with standard.
Do you want to add insurance or tracking?
Oh, it doesn't come with tracking?
It does, but insurance is extra.
No need, tracking is enough.
Can you please confirm the zip code?
It's 10,027, Harlem, Manhattan.
Got it. And would you like to write a return address?
Sure, I'll write it right here.
Just stick that on the box. Perfect.
That'll be $13.25.
Can I pay with Apple Pay?
Absolutely. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. That was fast. Wait a second. This isn't the box I meant to bring.
Oh?
I think I grabbed the one with my old notebooks. Phew, it's the right one. Just had a mini heart attack.
Good thing you caught it in time. Close call.
A close call means something almost went wrong. A mistake is when it did go wrong. Lily almost sent the wrong box, close call, but no mistake.
Next time I'll double check before leaving the house.
It's always a good idea.
Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Maybe I'll text her. I just sent a little surprise. She's going to love it.
Now it's your turn. Let's learn and say 5 key phrases from today's story.
Hi there. I'd like to send this package to New York.
Sure, let me take a look.
I'd like to send this to New York. I'd like to send is a polite way to say you want to mail or give something. The full pattern is I'd like to send something to someone or a place. Example sentences. I'd like to send this box to California. I'd like to send a gift to my sister. Question. Imagine you're at the post office. What would you say to the clerk? I'd like to send a gift to Chicago.
What's inside the box?
Just some books and a small candle. It's a birthday gift.
Any batteries, liquids, or fragile items?
The candle is in a box, but it's not glass.
What's inside the box? Post office staff always ask this question. You can say, it's a book, some clothes, just some snacks and something. Other ways to say it. What are you sending today? Can you tell me what's in your package? Question. If you were mailing something today, how would you answer this question? Some snacks and a toy.
It weighs 3.1 pounds.
Standard shipping is $13.25. Express would be $26.50.
Standard shipping. At the post office, they often give you options. Standard shipping means regular delivery, not too fast, but cheaper. Express shipping means faster delivery. It costs more, but the item arrives sooner. Other ways to say it. Standard delivery costs $13.25. Regular shipping is $13.25. Question. You're sending a gift to your friend's birthday. It's in 3 days. What do you choose? I'll choose express shipping.
Can you please confirm the zip code?
It's 10,027, Harlem, Manhattan.
Got it. And would you like to write a return address?
Sure, I'll write it right here.
Would you like to write a return address? This question is often asked politely at the counter. When mailing a package, the return address is the sender's address, where the package goes back if delivery fails. Other ways to say it. Do you want to add a return address? Would you like to include your address too? Question. If you were mailing a gift, would you write your return address? I'd add my return address just in case. No, I don't think it's needed.
Next time I'll double check before leaving the house.
It's always a good idea.
Thanks again.
Double check means to check something again, just to be sure. It's a useful phrase for daily life. This sentence means you made a mistake today, and next time you want to be more careful. Example sentences. I'll double check my keys. I'll double check the address. Question. Have you ever forgotten something at home? What would you double check next time? Next time, I'll double check my wallet before I leave. Next time, I'll double check my backpack to make sure I have everything. Good job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real-life English conversations.